In this video, we are gonna take a look at how students can make money online. I will be sharing with you 8 categories of jobs that a student or you as a student can do and partake to make money online. And I will also share websites that you can find these kind of opportunities. If you're new here, remember to give this video a thumbs up, like and share to help me grow this community. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Remember to turn on the notification bell so at any time I upload, you are notified. Having been a student myself back in the days, I know how sometimes it is very unique for you to experience that phase of you going to college or university in those years. Most of us were very excited going to university or college because of the freedom that comes with it. But most of us realized very soon that the independence that you wanted so much is not what you expected, because there are bills to be paid and the pocket money you're given cannot even manage all the bills and the life that you want. You definitely know as a student, sometimes you want to look good, buy something for yourself, go out with your friends, and sometimes it is very difficult for you to get all that and to do all that with just the pocket money your parents have given you. So I know most of us have been in that dilemma where you're wondering, where am I going to get all the money that is needed for me to do all things that I want to do as a student? And I understand, because also as students we want to have very different experiences when we land in university or college, and that is why I want to share with you opportunities on how you can make money as a student. Because I know sometimes these places can be very, very challenging, and I want you to make that extra coin. It could be pocket money and could be good money that can make you do some very big projects. The only defining factor is how willing are you ready to go harder, and what skills do you have? And that is what I want to share with you today, generally because I want you guys to be so woke, and I do not want to gatekeep. If I knew what I know now when I was in uni or college, I'll be so very different, because I feel like my money management could be a little bit different, and I would also have tried to get to financial freedom way earlier than I'm doing, because I'm doing it at my late 20s. And that is what I want to share with you, and why I want to share with you, because I feel like in your early 20s, these are the things that you guys should be knowing, and they will help you get something and pocket something, so that you learn how to save and start doing investments as early as you can. These websites that I'm going to share with you are not gonna penalize you just because you do not have a degree, you do not have a certificate or a diploma. No, these websites are going to be very good websites, because as long as you have skills, as long as you can offer something, you can enroll on these websites and you can register and you can make money. The first category we are going to look at is freelancing. We all know what freelancing is about. Freelancing is where you offer your skills or you offer your services based on a skills or a skill you know. And this is very good, and sometimes I know it can be limiting to students, because if you do not know any skill, you will not be able to freelance. But guys, I want to encourage you, there are a lot of things and a lot of skills you can learn as a student. Those are skills like videography, a thumbnail creation, and data entry, and virtual assistant. I can't believe I went through an ALX Africa course for virtual assistant in 2021, and in that course we were doing that course, and it was a free course. I know even right now it's a free course. It's a 12 weeks course, and in that course I was in class with 18-year-olds and 19-year-olds who had just completed their high school, waiting to go to university. And I felt like, why did I not know these opportunities? And that is why I'm saying, if you know things like how to make thumbnails, videography, virtual assistant, the probabilities of you getting these kind of gigs in freelancing and you offering these kind of services online are endless. These kind of freelancing services and skills can be offered in places like Fiverr. Fiverr is very good. I've been in Fiverr for I think more than 1 year. It is a very good space, and you can twerk and always curate your gigs according to how much you feel you're willing to offer and how much do you want to be paid. Also, there are places like People Per Work. There's also Upwork, where you bid for any job for you to be given that job. And also there is a website called TopToll. So Upwork, Fiverr, TopToll, and People Per Hour, and also freelance.com. So those are the kind of websites that you can offer these freelancing gigs, and you'll be able to make some good money. This is not pocket change. This is good money. The second category we are going to look at is online tutoring. You all know how tutoring can make you good money, and this will help you make money if you can curate and do your own classes. So what you do, you create your own classes, and then once you curate these classes, you can offer these classes on websites like Skillshare, tutor.com, and Varsity Tutors. So if you're a tutor, if you know like you're very good in French, in English, in mathematics, and you want to tutor people or students under these who are doing very poorly on these kind of things, just create a class and share them on the websites that I've shared up above. The third category we are going to look at is service and market research. This one can be very time consuming considering you're a student, but if you're a person who has a can-go attitude and you know you can multitask, or you're studying a course that is not very demanding, I'd encourage you to take up the task of offering this kind of services. They also pay quite a little amount of money because they pay per task, but also you'll get some good pocket money as a student. The kind of websites you'll find under this category are websites like Pagazani, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Ysense. So if service and market research are the kind of services you know you can offer, then the above websites will really suit you to offer your services. The fourth category we are going to look at is participating in a gig economy. These are gigs such as assembling something or painting jobs. And online, you can offer these services through online graphic design and creating thumbnails. And what websites can you actually offer this kind of services? Like I said previously, you can do it on Fiverr, 99 Designs, Casting Words, Text Broker, and Task Rabbit. The fifth category we are going to look at is called e-commerce. We all know what e-commerce is. And the type of e-commerce I want to show you, and I feel it is very good for students, is an e-commerce like print on demand, where you come up with a creative print design and sell them online. And the kind of websites that you can do this is Redbubble. Yeah, so what you do is you do a very good print design that can be printed on clothes like t-shirts, sweatshirts, sweatpants, and whatnot, and then you sell these prints online, and a website that you can do that is called Redbubble. The sixth category where you can make money as a student is through affiliate marketing. We all know what affiliate marketing is. It is promoting products through a link where you earn a commission. You can do this through a lot of websites, could be from Amazon to Alibaba to places like Jumia if you're a Kenyan. So there are a lot of ways you can make money as an affiliate marketer. The starting point is sometimes solo, but once you get the hang and the numbers of it, you actually make a lot of commission. That is why you see a lot of affiliate marketers saying that they can even pocket more than $3,000 to $5,000 per month through just affiliate marketing, because you do not have a front store. You're just selling other people's products, and that is sharing the links of those products. And when those products sell and their products that you advertise, you get a commission. I feel like this is a good opportunity for students because they have nothing to lose. Like, students stay most of the time on the internet, and they can do this on TikTok, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on ClickBank. There are a lot of places that you can do all these kind of affiliate marketing gigs. The number 7 category that you can look out for in when you want to make money online as a student is sell your skills. And by this is any skill that you want and you feel like you're good in, you create a course and sell it to people. You can sell it on websites like Skillshare, as shared before and I said before, and also Udemy. The number 8 thing you can make money on as a student is definitely content creation. We definitely know it is 2023. Content creation is making people a lot of money. If you're someone who can make good content, unique content, get a niche that will really love your content and a niche that you really love and enjoy creating content around, you can become a content creator. You'll get sponsorship jobs, ambassador deals, and you'll definitely become, if you'll not be a full-time creator, you'll make some few coins through content creation. Could be TikTok, could be Instagram, could be YouTube, just to name a few. That is what I wanted to share with you guys. If you're looking for such kind of gigs and you want to make money as a student, then look out for those kind of categories. It will be sure to be very good to also continue learning and advance your skills as a student, because they will help you in the near future to make money online and also offline, because we live in a world where you have to thrive and learn as much skills as you can. You just never know where these things will take you. Years ago, online writing was booming. Today, ChatGPT came out and wiped half of those careers. So you need to be very persistent on learning more and new skills each and every day, because you just may never know. AI is right now at our forefront, and we may never know what opportunities and people are going to lose just because AI has been introduced to the world. So you need to equip yourself with skills each and every day. Learn as many skills as you can so that you'll have a pool of skills that can help you make money in one way or another. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. And until next time, keep safe. Bye.